The Bolt AI from VarTech Systems is a rugged, weatherproof edge AI computer designed for high-performance computing in harsh environments. Built to meet IP67 standards, it protects against water, dust, and environmental exposure while maintaining reliable operation. The system integrates up to 13th generation processors, up to 128 gigabytes of ECC RAM, and supports GPUs, NPUs, and accelerators tailored to each application. Its proprietary cooling architecture manages heat within a fully sealed enclosure, enabling sustained AI performance without airflow. The Bolt AI supports workloads such as facial recognition, defect detection, video analytics, automation, and predictive maintenance. An optional 11.6-inch service display and multiple mounting configurations support flexible deployment. For secure connectivity, it offers options for MIL-DTL 38999 connectors. By combining compliance, durability, and AI capabilities, the Bolt AI delivers a reliable platform for mission-critical operations in industrial, military, and surveillance environments.